So this is one of my more favorite pieces. It has a lot of work to it because again, it's two-dimensional rather than a single profile. You can see that each of the flowers stands off the background. So from a woodworking point of view, I needed enough strength to be able to finish and allow these heavy pieces of plaster to be able to hold on their own. Back up a little bit, and where do we get this? Well, I think we all love the field of sunflowers. And Lauri and I have traveled through Provence, where you have your lavender fields and your sunflower fields, and even right here in Baltimore County, Maryland, we can see just these beautiful fields of sunflowers. And this is what I took to with a beautiful blue palette, green background, and these wild yellow sunflowers. So each one was handmade, pulled out, a little bit more complicated than any of the other pieces that I have done. And I thought it turned out just beautiful. It's been around for 22 years and I love it, and I hope you do too.